this video, we will learn about filter method in JavaScript. So filter method is used to create a new array having the filtered elements based on the conditions, and it returns blank if not found. Okay, if none of the items are filtered, it will return blank, and it does not modify the original array. Okay, so we will see it with some basic example. Firstly, we will define an array of numbers. Let numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now we are using filter method to create a new array with only even numbers. Use filter to create a new array with even numbers. Okay. So we are filtering only even numbers, and we are storing that even numbers in new array. So for this we are using filter method. Okay. Numbers. Numbers is the original array, and on numbers we are using filter method. Put filter. Inside filter method we are creating function. It will take each element from the array and will return number 2. Okay. If it is even number, then only then it will return that number. Okay. So the output will be console even numbers. Then we will print original array numbers. Okay. So this new array will contain 2, 4 and 6, and original array will remain unchanged. Okay. So what we have done is we have created a numbers array, okay, having 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have used filter method on numbers array. We have used filter method on numbers array to create a new array which is even numbers, okay, which includes only the numbers that are even. Okay, so for that we have used the function inside the filter method, and the function inside filter, it will take each number from numbers array. Firstly 1 will go in the function and will check if it is divisible by 2 or not, or it will check whether it is even or odd. Then 2 will go inside the function, then 3, then 4, and it will check for the condition of even numbers. So only the numbers that pass the condition will be stored in the array of even numbers. Okay, so filter method does not change the original array, so this numbers array will remain same. Okay, so what is the use case why we use filter method? Imagine we have a list of products and we want to show only those products that are in stock. So for that, filter method is used to select only those products that are in stock. So this is the concept of filter in JavaScript. So let's run this in the terminal. So we are getting the output as 246, which is stored in the even numbers array, and the original array will remain same. So filter method, it will create a new array containing only the elements that pass a given test. This is the condition we are checking. So this is the concept of filter method in JavaScript.